mega tasting lassi.
The dal is a shahi.
How many of you love exploring and exploring just in the moment without a plan? I'm wandering around Islamabad. I have no idea where I actually am. The van driver just dropped me off and off I go. So let's explore together and let's see what we can find. Capital Development Authority was established in 1960. Provides municipal services to Islamabad, from education to street cleaning to planning and permission. And this part of Islamabad appears to have quite a number of doctors, practitioners, not an office. Oh, let me turn right. Sorry, brother. I've just walked straight in front of a motorbike. Oh, this street looks like it has cafes, the Karachi student biryani, pile of crap. Oh, and it appears I'm just walking straight into an open air cafe under the trees. And another open air cafe with guys just sat around, just having tea, pointing their hands around. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. With a brother making early morning lassi and a massive wok with oil. Assalamu alaikum ji, assalamu alaikum. I'm just lost among the crowd's capital restaurant. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Assalamu alaikum. Kaise hai ji? Tabiat theek hai? Hey, from hot samosas. I don't know how to get out of here. From samosas and jalebi and a way out through the fruit stalls. Look at this. Just negotiating my way out. And we have juices and pomegranate juice and lemon. Assalamu alaikum, bhai. Kaise hai, brother? Alhamdulillah. Oh, and then lots of construction. There's always construction. There's always something going on. And how much crap can you fit into a wheelbarrow? And you want to sometimes empty the wheelbarrow and empty your thoughts and empty your mind for something better to come into its place. And look at the size of this. MashaAllah, is this the world's biggest? It's probably not the world's biggest pot. Ah, dekhi jadan chole di. Kisam chole, MashaAllah, with boiled eggs in the background. And there it goes. And we have lots of uniformed people. Oh, look at this. What's this? Yani ji. Special meat or nimkeen lassi. SubhanAllah. Assalamu alaikum, bhai. Here we go. MashaAllah, lassi. Kaise hai, bhai? Tabiat theek hai? And another trader. Mat on floor. Business is open. From your polishes. Have your shoes polished. They're having some naswar and snuff and fan. And this is how it happens. MashaAllah, brothers. Polishing away, earning his dues. And then there's more noise. And look, from pistachios to nuts. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Kaise hai? That was interesting. Oh, and then we have a man shooing a crow away. And more, mashallah, the smell of the parathas is overpowering, subhanallah. And there's lots going on. It's hustle and bustle and energy. Parathe and roll parathe, I think you call them. With a little cafe and shack. And the guys on the other side are building. They're not actually, they're cementing and plastering. And they're having a good old bani in the language of Pushto. Pushto ki lagyadi. Or karla kya ki dilta. So kafyani di, restaurants di, parathe di, chai di. Allah rakiyo pisho nasta da. Maat good zevne di, sam zevne di, karla kya ki. Nor rawate de. Gadi be zaya walar di. Such a sanchidana dear seriously. And they sar chidano kori jang kare de. Asse chidano haste hue bhai. Smiling. Smile, it's a sunnah. Oh, Lots of work going on. कार कीजिए लगा and a quieter part. I don't look at कार कीजिए. Bricks that have been painted black. And down the steps to the city. Oh, there's a Japanese गाड़ी दी. The spin गाड़ी समझ दी है. नौ रंगों वाले समझ दी. Okay, देशी तरफ दिलता ना. रापुज़ों को ख्याल कर ली. Aha. Look at this. Even a single drop of water can save a life. Hashtag save water. Save life. Absolutely, 1000%. The 17 sustainable goals of the United Nations, is it? One of them is every single human being has a right to clean water and sanitation. Other things include education, women's rights, equality, and many other things as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq to act upon these things and ultimately serve mankind and save the planet from being ruined. Let's have a look. Here is the box of ice. Here we go. Subhanallah. So, making a lassi, first of all, you need a massive stick. Mash the ice. The Kayani joint is jagah ka address kya hai bhai? Melody Food Street. Melody Food Street. Oh, Subhanallah. There we go. Now, bhai. Rade, lassi sky. The colours on the street are just amazing. Red, orange, blue, brown. As a portion is being made. So far we have got to this stage. There we go. Let's put a tiny something at the bottom. Pours in. And it's served with a smile and served with a straw. Let's go and check it. Let's check it out. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Bismillah wa la barakatullah. Also, nice and cool with a tinsy windsor, bit of salt. Mega tasting lassi. MashaAllah, how pretty. Turkey, the United Kingdom and Pakistan, America, and I think it's Spain. The flags just fly nicely through the beautiful little breeze. This is the Islamabad hotel. So let me just take you inside and show you around. Aha. So we have a very nice open reception area with some velvet Chesterfields and a television which is off. And I would imagine that you would be able to use the huddle room here for executive meetings, etc. And as we find a good old thingy in the corner. The gentleman at the reception has quoted me £18,000 rupees for a double room, 16,000 for a single plus tax. And the lunch deal with burgers that look like that are at 1,499. The slightly more plush area of Islamabad, and people keep asking me about prices. So a nice mocha will set you back 600 rupees, which is about £1.75. And something shrooming will cost you 1,300, which is chicken steak in mushroom sauce. And a cheesy excellence will cost you 950 rupees, which is just under £3.